South Carolina Supreme Court says a major education priority of the state's Republican leaders is not legal.
Today, justices struck down a plan to help South Carolina families send their children to private schools using public money. State House reporter Mary Green has details.
In a 3-2 decision Wednesday, the South Carolina Supreme Court struck down part of the state's new Education Scholarship Trust Fund program. But the part of the program they struck down is the heart of it.
We are excited to put it to a stop for now.
Through this program, students below certain income thresholds could receive $6,000 a year to spend on expenses including but not limited to private school tuition. The Supreme Court found that violated this ban in the South Carolina Constitution, prohibiting public money from directly benefiting private schools. The South Carolina Education Association was among those who brought this legal challenge forward.
So it would take resources away from our public schools and give it into private education that they don't play by the same rules as us.
Supporters of the program argued these state dollars would be transferred to a trust fund before families decide how to spend them, so it was not a direct payment, an argument justices in the majority said they found unconvincing. This voucher program had been a priority for years for GOP leaders at the State House before Governor Henry McMaster signed it into law in May of 2023, and it had the support of the state's Republican Superintendent of Education. She said in a statement in part, families cried tears of joy when the scholarship funds became available for their children, and today's Supreme Court ruling brings those same families tears of devastation. McMaster says they will request the court reconsider its decision, quote, so that the children of low-income families may have the opportunity to attend the school that best suits their needs. Now, the court did not strike down this program entirely. It found that other allowances for how this money can be spent are legal, including for tutoring, textbooks, and even tuition at public schools that might charge a fee to students who live out of the district. Reporting in Columbia, I'm Mary Green.